In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page-level filters in Looker Studio, so you can control what data shows across every chart on a specific page. This is a fantastic way to ensure consistency in your data visualization while saving time and effort. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to efficiently manage your data presentations with ease. To kick things off, let's discuss what page-level filters are. Essentially, these filters are applied to all charts and controls on a single page within Looker Studio. They allow you to implement a unified filtering approach across the entire page, which means you won't have to individually set filters for each component. This is not only a time saver, but also ensures a coherent data story on your selected page. Let's dive into the process of adding a page-level filter. Once you've opened your Looker Studio report in edit mode, the first thing you need to do is navigate to the specific page you wish to apply your filter to. It's important to be in the correct page, since the filter will only apply to the charts and controls on this particular page. Next, you'll want to head over to the top menu. This is where you'll find the option to manage your page settings. Simply select Page and then Current Page Settings from the drop-down menu. Once you've done that, you'll notice that a Properties panel appears on the right side of your screen. Make sure you're on the Setup tab within this panel, as that's where the filtering magic happens. Now, scroll down until you reach the Filters section. This is where you have the ability to add a page-level filter. You'll want to click on the Add a Filter button to get started. At this point, you have two choices. You can either select an existing filter from your options, which is perfect if you've already defined a relevant filter you want to reuse, or you can create a new one by clicking on Create a Filter. If you decide to create a new filter, you'll need to choose between including or excluding certain data. Choose Include if you want the data to appear when it matches your criteria, or Exclude if you want to filter it out. Then, select a field, which can be a dimension or a metric, alongside the condition you want to apply, such as equals or contains. Don't forget to provide the specific value that the condition should match. If your needs are more complex, you have the option to add and/or logic or include additional clauses to refine your filter further. Once you're satisfied with your settings, all that's left is to click Save. By doing this, the filter is now active, and all charts on the page will inherit this filter, delivering a consistent view across your report. And there you have it. You've successfully added a page-level filter, streamlining your data presentation and ensuring clarity and consistency for anyone viewing the report.